Hi guys, I am so excited to be starting my YouTube channel, and I thought for today, for the very first video, we would start off with a haul. I am a professional makeup artist, and right now my bread and butter is bridal makeup. So I am constantly restocking and adding to my professional kit. So I have just put in a very big order to Sephora. I got some new Nars products and went to Ulta, and I have a little P. Louise thrown in there as well. So I just want to jump right into everything and let's get started. So here are the first bits of my order. I am waiting for 2 more packages, but those should be here today because they are out for delivery. So we'll just go ahead and start with the Ulta order here. Let's see what we got. So the first thing is the Loving Tan Platinum. This is one of my, if not my favorite self-tanning product. I self-tan once a week. I like to be tan, glowing for filming, for my clients. Just, it makes my makeup look better. It's everything for me. Anyway, Loving Tan Platinum. We love her. So I also picked up a few new liners. I've been loving the Urban Decay Aqua XL pencils. Oh my god, I've been lying this whole time. None of them are Aqua XL. I need to restart. I misspoke before. They are not the Aqua XL. They are the 24/7 Glide On pencils. And I recently added these 2 to my kit because I was playing with them in Ulta and I just loved the way they looked. I have the shades Double Life and Smog here. And if you can see, they're not matte. They have a bit of a sheen to them. The one on the right is Double Life and the one on the left is Smog. I've been loving those. I've been using them on my clients for the last few weeks and great success. So I picked up the Lip Liner 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil by Urban Decay. This is in the shade 1993. The year before the most beautiful year. The year before I was born. I'm so annoying. Such a nice mauve-y nude. Just a classic. Another 24/7 Glide On pencil. However, this one is matte. So this is the shade Whiskey. Again, 24/7 pencil by Urban Decay. But it glides on. I mean, Glide On is right. They're so creamy and beautiful, and they do glide on like a dream. I spent way too much time on those liners, so let's move on. Next thing that I picked up was a little brush. This is the Ulta Beauty brand. This is a concealer brush. It just looked like a nice sturdy concealer brush, and then you can just never have too many brushes. One thing that I run out of constantly is mascara, so I had to pick up more. This and the Lash Princess by L'Oreal are the 2 mascaras that I keep in my kit. I love them both so much. These are waterproof. I don't carry any other mascara. Another thing that I run out of and always have to replenish in my kit are lashes. So I'm just going to share a few of my favorites here. Some that I restocked. So the Ardell 420 and 421s are a staple in my kit. These look so good on so many different people. Another fave are the Kiss Muse collection lashes in the style Noblesse. I also love the style Legacy, but these I am replenishing a lot because my brides seem to love these, and I love them. And then I got some more Kiss lashes. These are the Faux Mink collection in Jubilee. I also love Pompadour. Pompadour and Jubilee are 2 that I always carry in my kit as well. Staples. The last product that I picked up at Ulta is the Fenty Beauty Powder Bronzer, and this is in the shade Island Ting. I used this for bronzer on myself. So I liked it a lot and I'm adding it to my kit. I don't add anything to my kit that I haven't tried myself and love. And we're moving on to Sephora and Nars. I just popped all my Nars stuff in this box. I picked up 2 new shades of my favorite foundation and the main foundation that I keep in my kit, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. These are 2 shades that I use a lot and run through pretty quickly. This is the shade Light 3 GOBI and this is the shade Medium 3 Stromboli. That's all I had to say about those. I also got a deep red lipstick and a deep red liner because I have a client coming up who really wanted a dramatic look. She's getting married in December, so she's doing more of that like holiday dramatic vibe. So I wanted to get a liner that matched my deep red lipstick very well. This is the shade Fire Down Below by Nars. It's beautiful. It's beautiful for fall, for the holiday. It's a deep crimson red. This is the Nars Precision Lip Liner, and this is in the shade, oh, Ride It. This mixed with the lipstick is just going to be beautiful. I also picked up Sephora's Aerosol foundation. This is the Perfection Mist Airbrush Foundation. I got 4 shades. They were on sale for $8, so I'm like, okay. They don't have a great shade range with this foundation. I picked up 4 of them to give them a try, but since they were $8, I was like, might as well get a bunch. But I use this after I do the contour, the liquid and cream contour on my clients to blend everything beautifully and to just add a bit more coverage. An aerosol foundation on top of what you've already done just adds this beautiful full coverage, glowy, just perfected look. I will report back on how I feel about these. We will do the rest of the video when the rest of my orders come in, which is hopefully today. That's what the internet says. So be right back. Scared me for a second, but there she is. This is better than Christmas morning. Buying makeup just never gets old for me. It's so exciting. So first things first, I needed to restock a couple shades for my concealer in my kit. Picked up Mocha and Caramel. And also for fairer skinned clients of mine, I use this as a contour. So it's multi-purpose. I love how blendable and creamy these concealers are. So I will forever carry these. My next favorite concealer currently at the moment is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. Holy crap, I love this. Again, so creamy and blendable. I'm someone who has, in my opinion, quite a bit of texture under my eyes, so I do prefer a creamier concealer versus like a super matte concealer like the Tarte Shape Tape. So the Kosas Revealer Concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way are some of my faves. These are probably my top 2 right now. I'm so excited about these. These are the Sephora Charged Up Longwear Liquid Eyeshadow. I've been hearing so many good things about this product and I can't wait to try it. I got the shades 07 Energy, which is like a rose gold champagne color. I got the shade 01 Power. Then I got the shade 02 Striking, which is a bit pinkier than the other 2, but they are beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna take them out and swatch them. Ugh. Okay, can I complain? I hate this kind of packaging, like the wrapped up plastic. It's so hard to get off. Are you kidding me? Now that I'm 97 years old and all of these are open, we can swatch them. So this is the shade Power. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So this will be like the base of the eyeshadow, and then you can top them with more shimmer for a pop. The next one I'm swatching is Energy. I love these. And then lastly, I am swatching Striking. Oh man, look how beautiful. These are gonna be a game changer. I am restocking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Pound Cake. This is one of my favorite loose powders. It's just so finely milled and sets makeup beautifully. Another restock is the Bronzing Stick by Rare Beauty in the shade Happy Soul. It's a wonderful, creamy, super blendable contour stick and very neutral. And lastly, for the Sephora order, this is a brand new purchase for me. This is the Fenty Skin Blemish Defeater BHA Spot Targeting Gel. So what this does is if a client of mine has a blemish, and let's say the blemish is broken, and I don't mean like a sore or like an infected area. I mean, we all have those pimples that we've poked and prodded at. You can apparently put this directly on the blemish and makeup will cover it beautifully. So I'm really excited to give this a try. We can finally finish our video because the final package has arrived. The P. Louise blushes are here. Let's break into this bad boy and check them out. The box is so cute. So I got 4 different shades of the Cheek of It blush. We have 2 Bon Bon Baby. And then I got Flirty Floss and Legally Pink. Packaging is so dang cute. P. Louise is my favorite packaging of all time. Alright, let's look at them. Oh, let's just squeeze it. I can see it coming up the tube. It's coming up the tube. Oh my gosh. Look how pink. This is gonna be beautiful, layered with the Dior Rosy Glow. Now we're trying Flirty Floss. Base. Everything's fine. Ooh. Another soft baby pink. Oh, I really love that. Finally, last but not least, we are trying Bon Bon Baby. This is the one that's gone viral. They're all perfect. They are all perfect shades of blush, and I cannot wait to try them. Those are my ideal shades of blush. I love a pink blush. And that was the final haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed.